So I'm going to be showing you how to paint these pine trees in this video. I already have the base layer painted on, and I've intentionally made the tops of the trees lighter than the bottom of the trees as far as the base layer goes, because it kind of sets a guideline for me to follow when I'm painting the trees. Because the trees get thinner as they go towards the top, they're going to become lighter. The trees for this landscape are finished. Notice how I've allowed the bottom of the trees to fade out into the dark background. And that's because these trees are in the background of my scene. If they were in the foreground, I would have continued the detail all the way down and finished them out, but I let them kind of fade out because I'm gonna have other details in the foreground that are kind of gonna be going over this area. I want them to fade out naturally and just kind of stay in the background. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, then please like it. Or if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos in the future, simply subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any reprints of some of my art, including this one once I finish it and put it on my website, please check out my website at jonathanschlichterartist.com.